Thinking about investing but worried you need a fortune to get started? Think again. Do you believe you need a massive sum to start investing? Think again. Contrary to common misconceptions, it only takes $5,000 to embark on your investment journey and potentially turn it into $1 million. Yes, you read that right. Just $5,000 can lay the groundwork for securing your financial future. Join us as we delve into the world of investing with a modest $5,000. We'll explore various strategies tailored to suit your goals, investing style, and risk tolerance. Whether you're aiming for long-term growth or seeking to minimize risk, we've got you covered. Don't miss out. Watch the full video to discover how to grow your $5,000 and turn it into a robust investment. Hit subscribe and like to stay updated on more insightful content to empower your financial journey. Number 1. Invest in your 401k and get employer matching dollars. Employer-sponsored retirement plans often include a fantastic perk called an employer matching contribution. Let's break it down. Imagine your employer offers a 50% match for your retirement contributions, up to 6% of your salary. This means if you contribute at least 6% of your salary to your retirement plan, your employer will pitch in an extra 3% of your salary as a contribution to your plan. Effectively, it's akin to receiving free money deposited directly into your retirement savings. If your employer offers this perk, it's a wise move to contribute at least enough to secure the maximum matching contribution. Missing out on this opportunity means leaving valuable money on the table, something you definitely want to avoid. Nevertheless, it's crucial to be mindful of the fund fees linked to your retirement account. These fees have the potential to impede the growth of your 401k or retirement savings over time. Utilizing tools like personal capital can prove invaluable in keeping track of and managing these fees. By staying vigilant, you can ensure that these charges don't chip away at your hard-earned retirement savings, allowing your nest egg to grow more robustly for the future. Number 2. Pay off high-interest debts first. Paying off high-interest debt, like credit card balances, might seem straightforward, but it's one of the wisest financial moves you can make. Here's why. When you're facing a 22% interest rate on a credit card, paying it off guarantees you're getting a 22% return on your money, something very few investments can match consistently. For instance, if you put $5,000 toward paying off this debt, you're essentially locking in a $1,100 annual return for life by avoiding that 22% interest. Now, if your preference leans towards investing that $5,000 directly, consider executing a balance transfer to a credit card offering a 0% introductory annual percentage rate, APR. This strategic maneuver rids you of interest charges, liberating the $5,000 for investment elsewhere. Numerous cards extend this 0% APR grace period for up to a generous 18 months, providing ample breathing room for financial maneuvering. Even if your investment inclination steers you towards alternative avenues for the $5,000, leveraging a 0% APR credit card to dodge high interest charges can yield multiple benefits. This approach not only reduces your monthly payments, but also expedites the process of chipping away at the credit card principal. Essentially, it offers a dual strategy, managing and eliminating debt while exploring diverse investment opportunities, setting you on a more robust financial footing. Number 3. Use a robo-advisor. Using a robo-advisor is an excellent option if you're not confident in creating or handling your investment portfolio. Here's how it works. Once you provide details about your risk tolerance, a robo-advisor designs a diversified portfolio tailored to your preferences. It then takes care of ongoing management tasks, such as reinvesting dividends and adjusting your asset mix to align with your target allocations. The beauty of robo-advisors is their affordability. They typically charge around 0.25% of your account value for their services. For instance, a $5,000 account could be managed for just $12.50 per year. These platforms have numerous competitors in the market. Some of the top robo-advisors include Betterment and Wealthfront, both known for their innovative approaches and user-friendly interfaces. They offer automated portfolio management at reasonable costs, making investing more accessible for many individuals. Number 4. Invest in high-quality dividend stocks. Investing in high-quality dividend stocks is a great strategy because it generates returns in two ways: through regular dividend income and potential capital appreciation of the stock itself. Interestingly, there's a connection between a company's consistent high dividend payouts and its attractiveness as an investment opportunity. Many of these companies not only pay substantial dividends but also hold leading positions in their industries, often exhibiting impressive long-term growth in stock value. Among these top-tier dividend-paying companies exists a special category known as dividend aristocrats. These are well-established firms with a track record of regularly paying dividends for many years, along with a history of consistently increasing these dividends for at least 25 years. This combination of stability and consistent growth makes dividend aristocrats highly sought after by investors seeking reliable income and potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Number 5. Create a diversified portfolio using buckets. Investment buckets serve as a strategic way to organize your investments according to anticipated financial needs. For instance, your emergency fund represents a short-term bucket, crucial for covering sudden income disruptions or unforeseen expenses. Placing this fund in a secure interest-earning account like a high-yield savings account ensures both safety and growth. Another bucket might cater to retirement, necessitating long-term investments that steadily accrue capital gains over many years. Robo-advisors or growth-oriented ETFs within an investment brokerage account suit this objective, aligning with the extended horizon for retirement planning. Intermediate-term goals, such as saving for a home down payment or children's education, merit their own buckets. These needs fall between immediate emergencies and distant retirements. Placing these funds in taxable investment brokerage accounts or with a robo-advisor allows for growth while balancing risk, acknowledging the shorter time frame compared to retirement savings. Each bucket, tailored to specific time frames and purposes, allows for a more precise and effective management of investments aligned with distinct future financial requirements. Number 6. Fund a 529 plan for your child's or other relatives' college education. 529 plans are investment accounts designed to help save for your children's college education while enjoying certain tax advantages. Similar to an IRA, these plans don't offer federal income tax deductions on contributions, though some states provide tax deductions for 529 plan contributions. However, the income generated within the account is not subject to federal taxation, although some states may impose taxes on it. Funds within the 529 plan can be withdrawn tax-free specifically for education expenses. It's important to note that if the money is used for non-education related purposes, withdrawals become taxable and may incur a 10% early withdrawal penalty. There's no strict limit on how much you can contribute to a 529 plan. However, most individuals tend to cap contributions at around $15,000 per year, aligning with the gift tax exclusion for that year, in this case, referring to the 2020 limit. If contributions exceed this amount, there might be a requirement to pay a gift tax on the excess. Interestingly, each person can give this maximum amount to each recipient, allowing for higher contributions. For example, Two parents can collectively contribute twice that amount to each child without triggering gift taxes. Number 7. Invest in international bonds with higher yields. With U.S. interest rates at historically low levels, attaining decent returns on bonds poses a challenge. However, diversifying your bond portfolio by including international bonds can potentially offer a better return. Certain countries boast higher interest rates than the United States, presenting an opportunity to augment returns by incorporating bonds from those regions into your portfolio. Yet, investing in international bonds carries elevated risks due to currency exchange rate fluctuations. Daily shifts in currency values between countries can impact returns. If the currency in the country where you hold bonds depreciates, your returns might diminish, and there's a possibility of incurring losses. Given the higher risk involved, it's advisable to entrust this venture to professionals. Fortunately, many robo-advisors automatically integrate an international bond position into the bond allocation of your portfolio. This allows for exposure to potential higher yield international bonds while leveraging the expertise of these automated investment platforms. Number 8. Buy commission-free ETFs. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, offer a significant advantage over mutual funds. They don't impose load fees. These mutual fund charges, which can reach as high as 3%, are levied during purchase, sale, or both, thereby reducing your investment returns. Opting for ETFs presents a more favorable choice. They not only sidestep load fees entirely, but also boast lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds. These expense ratios are charged annually, impacting your returns even if they're deducted internally and not explicitly visible. Moreover, certain investment brokers waive trading fees on ETFs. By opening an account with these brokers and focusing on commission-free ETFs, you can potentially enhance your long-term investment performance. This approach allows you to steer clear of load fees and minimize ongoing expenses, contributing to improved investment returns over time. Number 9. Take a risk with cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be considered if you have a high risk tolerance, but it's advisable to limit this allocation to a small portion, no more than 5% to 10% of your total portfolio value. Cryptocurrencies emerged as a significant investment trend over the past decade. Originating during the last recession, they remained stagnant for years until many experienced substantial price surges after 2015. Bitcoin, the most well-known among cryptocurrencies, notably soared to nearly $20,000 in 2017, experienced a subsequent crash, but has since been rising again, surpassing $11,000 in July 2020. It's often cited as a prime example of a high-risk, high-reward investment. For those considering cryptocurrency investments, extensive research is crucial. Additionally, you'll need a brokerage account that supports cryptocurrency trading. Robinhood is one such platform, offering a limited selection of investments that includes cryptocurrencies. It allows users to hold cryptos alongside stocks and ETFs within the same account. Alternatively, cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase offer a specialized platform for crypto trading, albeit separate from traditional brokerage accounts. Choosing the right platform hinges on your preferences for convenience and the range of investment options available. Number 10. Fund a health savings account. A health savings account, often referred to as an HSA, operates akin to a medical version of an individual retirement account, IRA. You're allowed to contribute up to $3,550 annually for an individual plan or $7,100 for a family plan. The remarkable advantage is that not only are your contributions tax deductible, but the investment earnings within the account grow tax-free. Withdrawals from the HSA for IRS-approved medical expenses are tax-free. Any remaining funds can continue to stay in the account and can be invested in a manner similar to an IRA, such as holding stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Choosing to open an HSA requires selecting the right investment broker capable of supporting these specialized accounts. While HSAs can be opened at banks or credit unions, a brokerage firm offers the advantage of allowing you to grow your funds through a diverse portfolio of stocks and bonds. This approach gives you the opportunity to maximize the growth potential of your HSA funds while maintaining their tax-advantaged status for medical expenses. I recommend you watch the next video in our series. Don't hesitate to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.